Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Sea Ray 350 SLX. So what we're going to do, I'm going to kind of go through the boat, point out some high points, also the options. This particular boat's equipped with the 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. These are also joystick piloting, meaning that we do our negotiations at the dock with the joystick. They work with and against each other. This one also gives you a tremendous amount of seating. So the 350 was designed, for a great ride, but for someone who has a large family or really enjoys taking friends out. Great sound system, plenty of seating all the way around, lots of storage. So this particular one does have the sunshade, which goes back about 9 feet. The table you see right here is pneumatic. It can go up and down. U-shaped seating right here, and our companion seat that swivels back and forth. So if you're entertaining and stuff like that, you know, everyone stays in the conversation because it turns around. This one also has a fully enclosed head. This is a vacuum flush head system. Sink inside there. At our wet bar here, we've got our isotherm stainless refrigerator. Nice little stove here as well. Rockford Fosgate stereo, great sound with that. She also has the Raymarine GPS. That is going to be our joystick piloting right there. And so you've got Raymarine here as well as right here. Tilt steering wheel, very comfortable here at the helm. As we go to the front of the boat, you've got a block off right here to keep the wind from coming through. You also have additional storage in here. Also makes into a little bit of a berth. Up front, we have our seating right here, so it's very comfortable, and of course it comes with your cockpit, your tonneau cover. So pretty much in the 350, it's all designed for comfort and very nice ride. We also have our cool sunroof right here. So the 350 has been very popular for us, and once again, it's located here at MarineMax in Venice. My name is Jeremy Bradshaw, so if you'd like to come take a look, feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.